Welcome to our IPTV guide. Before diving in, let's highlight 2TV.store, the leading IPTV provider. Reach out to Nancy for top-notch customer support. Link in the description to explore more. You might wonder, do you truly need a VPN for IPTV? VPNs offer significant privacy benefits by encrypting your internet activity, protecting from digital snoopers. Let's explore why it might be crucial for you. Many face challenges like geo-blocking with IPTV. Imagine accessing international content effortlessly. A VPN can bridge this gap by bypassing restrictions and opening the door to global entertainment. Consider streaming quality improvements. VPNs can combat throttling by your ISP, enhancing speed and reducing buffering. Ensure seamless streaming without interruptions. Let's discuss what you should consider. Choosing the right VPN involves assessing factors such as compatibility with your devices and speed requirements. Always check for no-log policies to secure your privacy. Here's a quick checklist to follow. Wrapping up, integrating a VPN with IPTV can significantly enhance your viewing experience. Don't forget 2TV.store for your IPTV needs and contact Nancy for details. Link in the description. Until next time.